Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader at XAU. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of gold USD in front of us. As we all know, things have changed drastically for the gold USD chart after this candle yesterday. And as you can see that the whole structure of the gold USD has changed right now, and gold USD is kind of tired. Okay, looks confusing. Okay, not sure what will happen to it. So let's try to do the analysis first. Let's try to understand what is the picture or scene going on. Okay, then we will be jumping to the strategy that we should be following for gold USD. So let's get started. So first of all, after this huge fall, okay, one thing was very much clear to us that this is a very much strong support for the market. The 1670 level or 1660 level. Okay, 1660 level or 1670 level. One thing was very much clear to us that this level was an extreme support for the gold, because if we go to the weekly chart here, this is a weekly chart, and you can see that previously also when there was a fall in the market, this was the level that provided support to the market, and the same level has come to the rescue right now. Therefore, this level is the extreme support for the market right now. And as you can see that after hitting the support, market has bounced quickly, and the current market price is far away. But still, I'll request you, my dear friends, that you should mark this level on your charting platform, okay, because this is an extreme support for the market. And apart from this level, okay, the second important level is the 1750 level. If you have watched my previous videos, then you know that I have been talking about this level for quite some time. Previously, this level was the support for the market, and right now the same level has converted into the resistance for the market. The support has become the resistance for the market, and we were hoping that this level would provide support to the market. But when the market fell sharply or huge, there was a huge fall, this level got shattered, and right now the same level is acting as a resistance. And yesterday, okay, if you have watched my yesterday's video, then yesterday I recommended a sale. At this particular resistance, and if you have watched my previous video, then hopefully you have made some money, you have made some profit out of it. Anyways, so this is the overall picture right now. Okay, things are not very clear. The only thing that we can understand is that the number of sellers are much higher in comparison to number of buyers, or in simple words, this looks like a seller's market. Okay, this looks like a seller's market right now. Sellers are dominating the gold USD chart right now. This is the only picture that we are getting right now. And apart from this picture, the two important levels are 1750, the new resistance for the market, and the 1660 or 1670, which is the most extreme support extreme support for the market. So you must be having at least these two levels in your trading platform. Okay, so right now you can see that I have got another line here, third line at 1725. So this is not a very strong support here, but what market is doing, that market is trying to take a temporary support here. Just mind my word, okay, temporary support. This is not a permanent support or something like that. Market is trying to take a temporary support here. So you cannot hope that, or you cannot be positive that market, in case market comes down to this particular level, market will be bouncing. Market may or may not bounce, because this level is not that strong enough. This is a temporary support, keep in mind. Okay, therefore you cannot be confident enough with this level. So no trading call or no trading opportunity, okay, safe trading opportunity in this level. So what are the options that are left with us? The first trading opportunity is, let the market go up from here. Okay, listen to my words carefully. Let the market go up from here, Again, when market will be reaching this level again, 1750 level, just observe the price. There is a possibility that market will face resistance again because the support has become resistance, and yesterday we saw that market faced resistance. Therefore, we can hope that when market will be going up again, market will face the same resistance, and in case market reverses, then we can short the market. We can short the market at the 1750 level, and that is the only safe trading opportunity in front of us right now. I will not tell you to go for buy here because this is a temporary support. Okay. And in case there is a sudden selling pressure on the gold USD chart again, just like previous time or this time, then you can go for a buy at this level. But the scenario is very less. Okay, the chances are very less that gold will be coming down here, but still you should be careful. So this is your extreme level for a buy, but right now looking at the present condition of the chart, considering all the um, factors of this market, the only safe trading opportunity for me is shorting the market at 1750 level or at this level. That's it. And if you look at the gold index chart, okay, so this is a chart of US dollar currency index. You can see that right now US dollar is going up, and as we all know, US dollar is extremely important for the market, because if dollar starts going up, then gold starts going down, and if gold starts going up, dollar starts going down. They are correlated, and right now the dollar looks tired. Maybe dollar is an uptrend. Yes, dollar is an uptrend. Dollar looks very bullish, but right now if we just focus on this particular portion of the chart, then dollar looks kind of tired right now. Okay, try to understand the body language of the market, and in case dollar goes up from here also, then again it will face resistance at this particular level again. So there is a good possibility that here or from this particular level dollar will be reversing, and if dollar reverses, then gold will be going up. So when the gold will start go up, the only thing that we need to focus is whether gold will be able to cross this level or not. In case gold fails to cross the level, you can short the market. You know it well. Okay. And in case gold crosses this level, then we will have to wait for some time. I'll be telling you tomorrow what should be your trading strategy if gold crosses this 1750 resistance. Right. So this is it. Hopefully you understood what you need to do and what is going on the chart of gold USD. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.